I lost my voice again. I can't. No, I'm just joking. Shout out to everybody here on the live. Thank you for jumping on it. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here, sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. Welcome to the Crypto Lifer Show, baby. Hope you're having a wonderful day out there on this beautiful Sunday morning. We're going to break it down for you like we do every single day. We're not going to leave a stone unturned, a day undone. We're here for you. Shout out to all the beautiful people here on the live. Thank you for jumping on in and sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. Welcome to the Crypto Lifer Show. As I itch my right eye on this Sunday morning. It is September 8th. Everybody say happy birthday to Michelle. We're going to clip this out. It is my sister's birthday. Happy birthday to Michelle. We love you. We appreciate you. And my family thanks everything that you did for us this summer. When I had my kids, she came and stayed 2 months. She cooked, she cleaned, she hung out. She took my kids places to museums. She had ideas. She was positive. She went with me to Nashville. She helped me film. We had an absolute blast. It was amazing. So, check out my vlog in Nashville. We did a little vlog in Nashville there. You can check it out and see what happened. The vlog in Nashville. Check that out. All right. Okay, so blessings on blessings. This looks like we could go lower. All right, there's a little bit up here. I opened up a long last night. It did end up in gains this morning. Closed it down. It was like $90. I went for 100 for 300, but it was up. And you can't beat that on a Sunday morning. But it looks like we may go lower. Let's take a look at what's coming in for the weekly candle close. So we saw this kind of falling wedge cup and handle. It did break out. Got to a high about 54,700 before dying off there. Bit of an Adam and Eve double top in a way. And but we'll go from there. Let's take a look at our daily close. Let's have some fun. Let's break it down. And the daily showing some signs of attempting to reverse, but not amazing. So the daily opened at about 53,962.97 cents. The high was 54,849.99 cents. The low was 53,746 at 1 penny, and we would close at 54,160.87 cents. We go up $196.86, up 0.37%. So it was a green day yesterday for a Saturday. A little bit of a Saturday bounceroni, I don't know, macaroni, bounceroni, I don't know, Anyway, there's a bit of a, how you break out, you break back inside this wedge. Could that be the breakout to the upside that nobody expects? Possible. Could it be the higher low that hangs on for dear life here for Bitcoin, where these two candles have closed on the daily at about 53,991? And I got itchy eye for some reason. Usually means I got dust in my eye or something. Okay. Stochastics pointing to the upside. MACD turning. Daily doesn't look too bad. Could we have a beautiful double bottom here for Bitcoin? And we 1, 2, 3, buckle my shoe all the way to the upside here. That would be a 68% chance. It would break from the neckline here on out. And you get a move here to 75,800. And all our woes would be over. And everyone would say, no, you were scared, but you were scared, but you were scared. And we'll talk about the fear and greed at 29, bouncing back. Remember when I bought in the other day at 22? Prices are pretty much the same, though, but the fear is higher. That doesn't make any sense to me. And I'm floating. I can't be floating. I got to be there yet. That doesn't make any sense to me, but you never know. Wow, the blue and gray look amazing, huh? I got to say, I don't always talk about my outfit, but today, you gotta love that blue and gray. And I like the off gray. There's something about the whole, it's working for me, okay? So, shout out to Michelle. It's my sister's birthday. We gotta call her and tell her how much we love her and wish her a happy birthday. Yeah. And I could tell her to come on stream and get the birthday wishes. Could we say happy birthday to Michelle? Let's do a live call. Let's see if we can catch her off guard here. But, she's been a vibrant part of the back end of what goes on here at Crypto Lifer. And she's just an amazing person. Really helped me getting through, you know, the ups and downs of my mom and everything that we've gone through. So I'm just going to tell her she's live, but we're going to want to wish her a happy birthday. If she wanted to come on, she could see all the people wishing her a happy birthday. We love you. And I'm live right now, but I'll be done in like 10 minutes. But there's so many people here wishing you a happy birthday on screen.
Oh my gosh.
And we just wanted to say we love you and I appreciate you and you're the best big sister in the world.
Oh my god, I love you so much. Big hugs to the lifers. It wouldn't be the same without the lifers.
Everybody's saying happy birthday, Michelle. Now, like hundreds of people. We love you. I'll call you right when I'm done. I love you so much.
Okay, bye. I love you.
Thank you, everybody. That's so nice of you. That's very nice of you. I love my family, man, with all my heart. I'm such a softie, you know. Anyway, beautiful double bottom here for Bitcoin. And look at all these beautiful people saying happy birthday, Michelle. Happy birthday, Michelle. Happy birthday, Michelle. Wow, I've never seen guys say more happy birthdays for Michelle than for me on my birthday, man. Come on. No, I'm just joking. But amazing. What a beautiful group of people here we have every single day on the stream, really. I'm honored to have a community that is represented and honored throughout the entire space. Everybody knows, man. I'm 41 today. Wow, so you have the same birthday as my sister, man. God bless you, brother. September 8th, man. Beautiful day to be alive. You deserve a Bitcoin. She has one. Luckily, she's in the game, baby. She got in about 8,800. So she's been holding for a long time now. She is a Bitcoiner, man. Oh, yeah. Okay, so could this be a falling wedge that breaks out? Could we have a double bottom? There's a chance here. We do have a double bottom. All right. The smaller time frames are going to kind of give us the answer, but so far it looks like the daily could give us a bit of a bounce here off the lows. Off the daily lows for a break back at least to the beginning of the double bottom and through this point of control to liquidity at 64,400. 54,200, right where we were last night. Really nothing has really changed. Kind of same flatness here for Bitcoin. 22 hours got that bullish divvy. 12 hours got that bullish divvy on the stochastics RSI suggesting a move. But if you look at it, I mean, it looks like a bear flag rolling over, right? And we're going to kind of look at that in depth on the 8-hour time frame. Doesn't look amazing too. Could kind of go either way in the 8-hour. And the 4 hours, you know, as I said yesterday, looked bearish to me. And it still looks a bit bearish right now. Came back up though. You know, bearish retest coming down. I don't know. That looks just nasty to me. And the way my neurosis works is I have to put it in some type of pattern. I mean, that looks like a double bottom. You see resistance at 54.8. So we got to break back above 54,800 if we want to really remain bullish. 4-hour time frame just doesn't look like it's doing it for me. That looks more likely there too. Look, there's the line. Bounce, fell off, barely retesting that for a nasty drop further to the downside, right? And if now I'm seeing that is the descending triangle, right? Interesting. 1 hour kind of got a double top here too as well after the pump on the 7-minute last night that I was able to jump in on, which is kind of nuts. So there we have it, the symmetrical triangle on the 1 minute. These are 50-50 patterns. They're not strong. So the daily attempting a double bottom, but the smaller time frames are going to have to give us the love. So 50-50 pattern here on Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame. People spend an hour in here watching Sam, but can't spend 1 second to hit the like and show respect to the man who works hard for all of us. Thank you, Plubonic. Don't worry, man. Let's get the likes up to the watch. There's 793 people here on the watching. Only 178 people hitting that like button. Let's get those likes up to the watchers. It's okay to feel yourself. It's okay to like yourself. It's okay to love yourself. All right? I love myself. When I show people that I love myself, they think I'm conceited and rude. I'm like, how though? When you have love for yourself, you can have love for others. If you don't respect yourself, how the heck can you respect somebody else? If you can't love yourself, how the heck can you love somebody else? Okay? Someone that doesn't truly love themselves will eventually disrespect you. Okay? I'm being honest, because they will not care about you as much as, they don't care about themselves. They've already practiced on themselves. They're going to do the same to you. All right? Looking for this shoulder head, kind of a right shoulder. Can you break on out of here to the upside? Looking for some tightness on the 1 hour for Bitcoin. So it's a 50-50 shot. We could go up or down here. Pretty sketchy business here. 15-minute looks interesting. We had broke the 200. We got tight again. Can we break back above the 200? And same thing brewing here. This symmetrical triangle really will tell you what's going to happen on the day. And you can see if we break down, we're headed down to 53,000. We break up, we're headed all the way up to about 55,750 for Bitcoin. 7-minute, kind of playing with the 200 MA. 1 minute in a bear flag, if you ask me. Looking like it may dump lower, so I'm not a fan of what I'm seeing here on the 1 minute time frame. When we show up tonight, what do I see happening? Honestly, I would love a bit of a little bounce. So the 1 minute is whatever, but it's likely just when I show up tonight, get a bit of a bounce sideways. We're just like somewhere in just sideways. And I see sideways action for most of the day. I really do. Yeah. 54,650 range is resistance. We can close above the 1 hour. This is my target for the dump. Now, if we're below it, failing to get above, we need to close on the bear flag. We go lower, yeah. Hope you make amazing gains today, brother. Shout out to you, man. Thank you. Somebody says dumping now. I don't know. 54,527. Looking pretty good right there. Anyway, I got to jump on out for the day. We're still not done moving. I got about another 8 hours of just loose ends to tie up. Hope I can get them all done before the show tonight. I got 10 hours to make it happen. Ooh, look at that shoulder head, right shoulder pump. Look at that. 54,309. Anyway, I see us. I know I drew a bear flag here, but my prediction for Bitcoin is that we do get a bounce. We go up and down like this, and we just stay tight inside the channel. And nothing crazy happens. Maybe tonight we get the breakout or the breakdown. All right. So I'd watch this symmetrical triangle for Bitcoin on the low. Let's take a look at VELO. I was into VELO. I did take profits out. Am I going to get back in? Let's take a look at what VELO is doing. VELO just continues to moon. We looked at it on the daily, and that thing just... Look at that thing. I mean, VELO just looks absolutely lovely. I got in there on the daily. I sold right there, came down. Wow, it's above my sell now. Just doing damage. Does not care. VELO just... I see eventually some type of pullback, though, for VELO at one point. 2-day chart's getting a little far away from the 21-day moving average. I'd say it pulls back a little bit before its bigger move to the upside. Something like that. Touches the 21 retest here. That's why I took some profits out of VELO. I wrote it up. But, wow, watching VELO is interesting. MPLX, one of my low, Let's take a look at MPLX here. That's still tight in the channel, above 20 cents. I'm telling you, as long as it stays above the 200 on that 2-day, I don't want to see it fall out here, but I'm watching it. Kind of a slanted Adam and Eve there. You see that? Adam and Eve. Interesting. I want to get the bounce. If Bitcoin gets the bounce, we're going to be okay here for MPLX. Sorry, a little low there on the mic. I don't know why. There we go. Back into action there. Sam, do you put any weight on the 10-year yield curve uninverting? A little bit, but not too much, because they printed so much money. It's gonna, you can't go by what that used to say, because the parameters have been changed. The math has been switched so much. All right. CME watch tool, everybody, just so you can kind of get ahead of the game here. 10 days left to the FOMC meeting. That could change the way we look at the markets. I feel like it's starting to get a little baked in, but still 30% of a 50%, 70%. We're going to get a half a point rate hike. So it's looking like we're just going to get that move down to 5. The target rate to 525. 525. So we're not going to get down there. 475. Not happening. All right. Okay. Someone said, can you check that NEIRO ETH? Yeah, let's take a look at it. Thank you. Always forget how to spell that puppy. Let me see here. I don't disagree with you, but the fact that you show up twice a day for updates, I absolutely tip my hat to you and respect your hard work. Amen. Sam, how you doing today? Can you look at Cookie USDT? It's my worst trade ever. Forgot my stop loss. Cookie? Never heard of it. I don't think I have time right now. I got to look at something else, but I'll look maybe if I have a shot. Sideways, it may be a last pump. The trap morning long. I feel the move will come at like 3 a.m. Hope you make amazing gains. Someone asked me about NEIRO ETH, and I just wanted to see how it was spelled. There it is. NEIRO. Yeah, it was in like a tight channel last night. It looked like it might break out. See what happened to it. So it just kind of went sideways. It did stop people out right there. You can see that, right? And then just kind of went sideways. Also, sketchy to trade right now. Altcoins are not like amazing. I don't know. It looks pretty sketchy. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Pushing down. Yeah, that looks like it might come right back down here. Retest somewhere. If it bounces and gets tight, then there's a chance it breaks out. I would watch the flag and see if the flag can bounce. Otherwise, it looks like it's dropping back down to like 8 cents. You know, I don't know anything about it. So Bitcoin did just get the pump to the upside. Look at that, bang, bang, bang. Now the 15-minute and the 7s break. You know, wants to break the 200 MA. Look for the 7-minute to break the 200 MA. Back to the top of the channel. We're likely to kind of go up and down here, even if we get the push. But I like to see Bitcoin pumping a little bit there. That's good for me. We'll be back later on today to kind of, you know, show you what's happening in BTC land. All right. Where's the symmetrical triangle that I drew? What the? It's gone now. It's absolutely gone now. You know, there it is right there. So remember, we're watching this pattern, likely getting a bounce to the top. See what can happen throughout the rest of the day, but likely sideways. What I like though is see how these are starting to get tight. They're setting up for that pump through this gap back up to liquidity at 56,600 for Bitcoin. I love you all. Have a wonderful morning with your family and your friends. It's Sunday. Remember, it's God's day, man. Thank you, dear Lord, for everything in which you've given me, all the people that came to the channel today, all the likes, all the super chats, all the beautiful people that came here. Thank you for everything, dear Lord. And I'll be back tonight for another beautiful live stream. May you all have a wonderful day. May God bless you all, and may you believe in yourselves. You can, you will, you are the best. You are the opportunity. That's how you make it happen. I love you, and I will see you tonight at 8 p.m. May God bless you all. Thank you for everything. Wrong button.